Hi guys, it's me, Dr. Nasir, back again in Let's Crack OET Together. First of all, thank you for so much support. This keeps me motivated to make new video for you guys. Today's video is very important. It is right now 5:45 a.m. when I'm making this video, and it is very important. And these are some very important tips if you want to improve your focus and if you want to clear your OET listening subtest. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video I will tell you real life scenarios that when you sit in the exam, what actually happens and why you are not able to clear your OET listening. Believe me, if you apply these tips in your exam, you will clear it. So these 5 to 6 minutes are worth watching. And I have made a very big announcement in the middle of this video somewhere. So make sure to also watch it and apply on it. And make sure to hear that announcement and please take action on it. Before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and press that bell notification. If you want new material based on the difficulty index of OET exam, you can visit my website drnasiracademy.com and order it from there. And if you want one-on-one individual sessions with me that will help you clear your reading or listening subtest, you can contact me down on the given number in the description and on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first important tip that I've been telling to students is that always wake up at 5:30, do your prayers, have a good breakfast, and then at that time do one listening test. It is very important because that time has no distractions, there is absolute silence, and your focus level is increased. Majority of students, they tend to do the listening subtest when they are back from work. So what actually happens is that they are very tired and they are not able to do it with complete focus. And once this thing build up, like over a period of time, your focus isn't improved, and when you sit in the exam, you cannot focus in the listening part A and automatically can lose your score. The second and the most important tip is after this announcement. The big announcement is this, that guys, I do not have any Telegram group. If you are watching this video in any Telegram group, or if anyone in any Telegram group, make sure to leave that group as soon as possible, because students have been scammed. I only contact me through this channel or through drnasiracademy.com. That is it, or through the WhatsApp number that I have given on my channel. That is it. The second important tip is the major mistake that students make in the OET listening part A. There are two specific points in the OET listening part A where students make mistake. The first point is right at start from question number 1 to question number 4. What actually happens that some students are very panicked. So whenever the test starts, they panic and they miss the blank number 1 and automatically they freeze there. And once they miss the blank number 1, automatically when they are thinking of the answer to the blank number 1, they miss 2, 3 and 4, and then they catch the track and then they solve till question number 12. So when you have lost the track from question number 1 to question number 3 while you are being freezed, you have failed the OET listening subtest. So what to do for this particular thing? Yes, the solution is very simple, that once you have your 30 minutes of preparation time, only read the blanks. And yes, this is very important. In the last 5 to 7 seconds, just rush to blank number 1, 2 and 3 and read them again and again. So once you do not miss the blank number 1 to 3, you get automatically in a flow. And once you get in a flow, you will solve till question number 12 very easily. Your nervousness level will reduce and you will be able to solve it easily. The second important point is the question number 16 to question number 20, where a lot of students lose their focus, because OET listening part A requires a lot of focus and it is very draining. So once a student, he reaches at question number 16 and onwards, what happens is that something comes in his mind, like maybe I forgot the keys, something unrelated to the exam, trying to break his focus. It comes in his mind. Maybe he had a fight, something just for a brief amount of time. And once that happens, the answer is said in that part and he misses. And once he misses, he tries to think that. And once he thinks, automatically he loses multiple marks. So the solution is very simple for it. You have to improve your focus, but no one tells you how to improve focus. You have to understand this point that focus is your personality. It is your personality trait. So what you have to do, if you have a good lifestyle, for example, if you are waking up early in the morning, you are reducing your nervousness level throughout the day, because even if you are going to work, if you are very relaxed, because your mind is automatically thinking that yes, I have done something, so I do not have to come home and I do not have a lot of burden on me. So once you improve this thing, your focus will automatically improve. This is very important. Students take these small tips very lightly. And see on the screen, this is a student. She appeared in the exam 19 times. Can you believe it? And I made her clear her listening by improving her personality traits and improving her core skills. Students do not focus on these things. They are just focused on doing listening tests. Listening tests are not going to be repeated. But if you follow these things that I have told in this video, believe me, you can clear your exam very easily. So yes, make sure to share this video with your friends, as it will help me grow and I will be making more videos for you guys. So thank you and bye bye until the next video.